All right, we got the Lowe's doorbusters here. This is the Labor Day deals. Yes, they are doorbusters. You go into the store and basically get these deals as well. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the Lowe's.com. It is the ad. This is 8/29 to 9/2, September 2nd. All right, first one is the 69. This is Allen and Roth 31.5 deep bowl fire pit. This is a really nice size. If you guys haven't checked out our channel, we do go on over to the stores physically and look at all these items, so you guys can see what they look like and stuff like that. So we do have videos we post every week. All right, so next one down. This is a Charboil Performance 4-burner gas grill, $179. This is actually a great value for it. It is a 4-burner, so that's a great value on that one. Craftsman 1900 psi of 1.2 gallons per minute. Not bad. I've seen these go down in price. This is actually a pretty good deal for that psi. You got this is a 40 volt brushless blower and string trimmer. It's actually pretty strong because it is a 40 volt tool and battery. So $229 for this one was $279. Next one down. This was, if you want to talk about some strength or some beefness, this is going to be one of the top of the line out there. $299. This is a 765 CFM. That's a lot of CFM. It does come with the 5 amp battery and charger. Next one down. This one's $499. It's a Pit Boss Pro Series 1850 wood pellet grill. It's a really nice grill. I did try it at the store. It does have a lot of some nice weight to it. I really like the quality on that one. Around these, you got the style selections, oversized gray folding camp chairs. These are $19.98. This is a really nice cooler. This is $39.98. And then I personally do have this. I believe I got it on the clearance section, but like 2 years back. $54.90. This is actually not bad. Buy one, get one free on all paint. So if you guys are planning on painting the house, now is the time to spend that money on that paint. Of course, you got decorations. This one's scary. Pumpkin. All right, so you got a Turf Builder 15-pound capacity broadcast spreader, $49.98. Pretty nice. I do have something similar to this. I really do like it because I have a bigger size yard, and sometimes you need that bigger stuff. So you got a $12.98 for the Orbit 8-pattern nozzle. You got a fiberglass handle, steel digging shovel, $24.98. Your choice here, or the brig, or the rake, my bad. Same thing with this, $99. Your choice here. You got the 6 cubic feet wheelbarrow or the 4 cubic feet yard cart. I personally do have a 7-yard cart. I beat that thing every weekend. I'm out there and just picking up trash and all sorts of stuff. And that thing stands by its name. They do last a long time. And the only thing about these is the tires go flat. You get that slime and just throw it in there. Or either you can replace the tire. But alright, so buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the tools and get a free starter kit. This is a 2 amp hour battery starter kit. You get the jigsaw, one-handed reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool. Check this out. It comes with all this. Get the 5-inch angle grinder. You got the job site blower. So all those do qualify for that promo. This is $99. Your 14-inch string trimmer. It does come with the 4 amp hour battery and charger. Next one down is $149 for battery, for one battery, charger, and soft case, impact driver, and drill. These are all brushless tools. Keep that in mind. All of these are brushless tools. Cobalt. Pretty good deals on those. You got what is this? A 40 volt max. These are all the 40 volt line. You got a 40 volt max 10-inch brushless pole saw. This one's $30 off, so down from $229. These are all your choice here for $199 each. And then you got a chainsaw here with the 4 amp hour battery, not bad, charger. And then you got $299 for the 20-inch brushless push lawnmower. It's actually a pretty good value on this one. $249 for the 4-tier 72-inch height, 77 in width, 24 in depth, steel shelving. You want us for the garage. These are great, work great. $59.98. We did see this at the store. So actually pretty good quality of this. 20-piece standard and metric ratcheting right set. That's actually a pretty good deal. $59.98. Get a 277 piece standard and metric mechanics tool set, $99. That's actually a pretty good deal. They did had this price around the Black Friday deals, I believe. So these are Black Friday prices, pretty good deal. $398 on this one. This was a 46. I did see this at the store. This was really nice, especially self-closing, and I really like the blue and the black. So pretty good. And then this has the solid wood top on the top. All right, buy one get one free for the DeWalt's, guys. There's some, we don't get these tools all the time. This is a solid deal here for the compound miter saw, for the impact wrench, the blade, the planer, the reciprocators. So, and you're getting a newer battery, which is the Power Stack 5 amp hour battery, for free. So these are all great deals. There's some more tools available online and at the stores. So make sure you guys double check those. Same thing with this. There's some more tools available for these. On this one, you do get select free 20 volt brushless tool with the purchase of the starter kit. So you buy the starter kit for $129, get a free tool. The angle grinder. These are all, looks like, are they brushless? Yes, they are brushless tools. You guys know that these tools do have DeWalt DNA on them. So, like this one, the angle grinder looks just like the angle grinder from the DeWalt's, and same thing with this impact wrench. Very similar. This is probably the older model of this. So be on the lookout for those. All right, you got the 27-gallon storage tote, $9.98, and then you got the shells here. This one's $89.98. Your choice here. You want red or black. All right, let's see what else we have down here. All right, this is a pretty good value. Unitech 40 feet, 16 gauge outdoor extension cord, $12.78. $59 for the Metabo 18 gauge 2-in-1 or 2-inch pneumatic brad nailer. $26.98. Your choice here on these. This is a Klein 3-piece adjustable wrench set and the 11-in-1 multi-bit multi-tool screwdriver set for $26.98. So it's not bad. Got a little giant extra light plus 5-foot ladder for $99.98. Let's see what else we have. You guys want to keep that garage secure, I do recommend the Blink. Let us know in the comment section if you want me to make a Blink video, but there's a lot of videos out there and they actually were pretty good. I do believe that if you want to record for free, if you don't want to pay for that monthly fee, you can get one of those Blink modules and get a memory stick and just do it at your house. You don't have to pay for that monthly thing. Let's see what else they got. They got a 40% off appliances. As I said before, anytime you're buying appliances, make sure you guys get warranty with these. These get really expensive. I had one that just broke right after I bought it, so really expensive. Yeah, definitely get warranties on those. Same thing with the washer and dryers. Let's see what else we have. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, so this is the Labor Day website that they got. Basically, on these, you're gonna get the. We're just gonna click on the tools. It's a website, by the way. So you can choose different sections here, and if you guys go down here, a lot of these say free gift with the purchase. So like this one, just an example, we're just gonna click on this. This one's gonna tell you it is available for a free tool or a free gift. And this is what you're going to get for free. Obviously, you can add it to the cart or go to the store and get that. Let's see if we see anything else just like that. Same thing with the Cobalt. You know, obviously, all these nice tools are going to get something for free. The Cobalt will get you, I believe, that starter kit. Yeah, that 2 ampere battery starter kit. Craftsman is the same thing. You click on that Craftsman. This is a starter kit. You can choose from any different tools. It says choose your gift. You're going to go down here and choose different gifts. Got the 1/2 inch impact wrench, the oscillating tool, angle grinder. These are all RP brushless tools. Circular saw, see more. You can see more. You can see the hammer drill, the reciprocating saw, what is that? The 20 volts variable speed, I believe is the impact wrench. The SDS, is that SDS? Yes, SDS is available. See more. They got a whole bunch of the router, the jigsaw. So there you go, guys. That's it. Just a quick video for you guys. Don't forget to help with this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.